How are you?
Good afternoon. I am good, ma'am. You?
I'm also well, fit as fiddle. Thank you for asking me. So, how's your Sunday going on?
Ma'am, Sunday going well, but other
Okay,
day in
it's going well because it's a Sunday, so it's quite
yes,
pleasant. You are enjoying. Now, maybe
yes,
today you are at your home.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's super. So, have you prepared last time? What I said to you, have you prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start.
So last time discussion daily routine.
Yes, maybe, yes, daily routine. You have to share your daily routine.
Yes, ma'am. So I am get up in the early morning around 6 o'clock.
Mm,
Then I drink one glass of water and go to bathroom for fresh up.
mm,
After that, I read 1 hours. I study 1 hours and go to washroom. Go to washroom. Mm, yeah, take bath.
mm,
Then I take breakfast and
mm.
leave to home and catch up the bus.
Okay.
I I I am reach office around 9:30 a.m. and
Mm,
mark my punch. Then
mm, mm.
started my work.
Okay.
I I have I have lunch around 1 p.m. and
Mm,
after restart my work. I
o-
mark I am mark my punch mark I am mark out and leave office
okay.
around 6:30 p.m. and catch my bus and reach to home.
Mm,
Then I reached my home and then change my clothes and go to fresh up. Then I sometimes spend with my wife and I I take dinner around 8:30 a.m. and go to bedroom. I I am always uh, 1 hours reading before sleeping. I am sleeping around 11 p.m.
okay. So can you read again one and one line for me? Can you read again? Have you
Ah
wrote
yes,
down
no,
that? You know? Yes. Can you
no,
read
no.
again?
Okay, I am get up in the early morning
So
around.
I am not. 1 second. I am not. मैं उठ रहा हूँ is incorrect. I wake up. Am is not part of this sentence. I get up early in the morning. Otherwise, I get up 7:30. Am is not part of this word. This sentence. Am. Remove am. मैं उठता हूँ. I wake up. Okay.
Okay,
एम को यहाँ पे यूज नहीं करना.
okay, am नहीं यूज करना है. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
I get up in the early morning.
I get up early in the morning, like 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, whatever, according
Okay,
to
ma'am.
your time, according to yes. And next line,
Then I go to washroom for fresh up.
then I freshen up. You can use then I freshen up. Go to washroom is not necessary part of this sentence. Then I freshen up. You can use then I freshen up.
Okay.
Yes. And then
Then after that, after I 1 hours studying.
hmm, not study. After that I read. Study which means आप सब कुछ पढ़ रहे हो. Okay. आप सिर्फ बुक पढ़ते हो
Okay,
ना. So you can say read. I read book. After that, I read book 1 hour. Otherwise, you can use this word that after that I flip some pages of my favorite book. Because एक लाइन को कहने के लिए 10 सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. आप देखो कि आपको कौन सा सुटेबल लग रहा है, कौन सा परफेक्ट लग रहा है. आफ्टर दैट आई फ्लिप सम पेजेस ऑफ माय फेवरेट बुक. इसके बाद मैं कुछ पेजेस पलटता हूँ, आई मीन पढ़ता हूँ. या इस लाइन को ऐड कर सकते हैं. एंड देन
I go to bathroom. Take bath.
after that, after completing my book, I take bath. Then
Then I take breakfast and leave.
you can you can use like after that then. आप जब एक वर्ड एक सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट कर रहे हो ना, तो दूसरे सेंटेंस को जोड़ने के लिए वी कैन से कनेक्टर. आफ्टर दैट, देन you can use at least.
I
Then
take breakfast and leave my home and catch
okay,
up the bus.
I go to bus stand and catch up the bus. Okay, and
I I am reached office
I
around
reach
9.
office.
I
Don't
reach
use
office.
am. Yeah,
I reach office
always.
around 9:30
I reach office around 9:30. Yes, yeah, this is correct.
and
And then
started my I mark my punch.
after that, I indulge myself like office work. उसके बाद
Yes, ma'am.
so don't use am. Otherwise, most of the sentences are correct. Don't use am. Because whenever we describe our daily routine, so we have to use present indefinite. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
go to office, I take lunch, I take breakfast. After that, don't use am. You can use this kind of words. Okay.
Ma'am, what is
So
the different first day? Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead.
What is the difference? My speaking first day or today?
Okay, now I can see some improvement. I can see some improvement. Yes, now we are quite well. But try to, do you talk to any other caller? No? Do you talk?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you talk to any other co-learners? Because I have already shared that group link. So do you talk?
Yes, ma'am.
We communicate? Okay. So how's your experience nowadays? Whenever you talk to any other co-learner, कैसा है?
I before 2 days ago, I was conversation with Satabdi, ma'am.
Yeah, I know her.
Yes. So I this conversation with him. He tell me about you.
Okay, okay, yeah, yes.
She tell me uh, uh, she tell me about you help him.
Yeah, I had a conversation maybe once, last year. No, last year. It has been maybe 6 months. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Satabdi. I know. Okay. So here I'm sharing you some words. Okay. Opposite words. You should try to
Okay, ma'am.
use this kind of word while communication. Whenever you talk to any other co-learner, try to use.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So first word is, do you have notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. So
I
try
am
to
ready
write
for
down.
note. Yes,
If
ma'am.
you know, you can already say to me attach. Do you know attach?
हाँ, अटैचमेंट मतलब
Yeah.
कुछ भी अटैच करते हैं साथ में.
Opposite,
अटैचमेंट का
detachment.
डी अटैचमेंट.
Yeah, we can use. It's very easy. Attach, we have to use only prefix like D. Be attached. This is very easy. Second word like honest. Do you know about?
ईमानदार हो गया ना. ऑनेस्ट का लाई हो जाएगा ना मैम.
Yes. No, honest, we can say be honest. Dishonest. Try to make word very easy always. Like honest, we know about. We should add just this be honest. This is very
Okay.
easy. We can learn lot of word with these tricks like attach, detach, honest, dishonest, motivate, demotivate. It's very easy. So we should always learn with this type of strategies. Try to simplify. Always try to simplify.
Okay, ma'am.
Motivate, demotivate.
Demotivate.
Yeah, demotivate, motivated is like a adjective. And possible,
इसका तो फिर पॉसिबल,
Hmm.
नॉट पॉसिबल या
Impossible.
इम्पॉसिबल। हाँ, यस मैम।
Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Necessary.
अननेसेसरी।
Yes. Perfect. Sufficient.
अनसफिशिएंट।
Insufficient. In. Insufficient.
ओके मैम।
Agree.
डी डिसएग्री होता है ना इसका?
Yes. Yes. Of course. Like you are very polite. Sometimes
मतलब
I are polite. Which opposite we can say rude. Some of my friends they are very rude. Try to use word and after that try to make sentences, small sentences.
यस
Yeah.
मैम।
Use this kind of words. Okay. And
तो
mm,
पोलाइट क्या होता है मैम?
polite, which means polite, अच्छे से बात करना. Like I have a polite nature. You have a polite nature. And rude. We can say opposite rude. My younger sister, she is very rude. Most of the time. Rude. Full.
सॉरी मैम।
Full. Full. Opposite.
फुल।
Yes. Full.
फुल का
Opposite.
आइडिया नहीं मैम, इंग्लिश में क्या
Okay.
बोलते हैं?
Empty.
अच्छा, ओके।
EMPTY. Yes. Empty.
ओके मैम।
Yes. And what I should share? Near. NEAR. Near.
नियर, तो उसका तो डिस्टेंस होगा या कुछ?
Far. दूर. Near which means pass. Far which means दूर. Or what I should. Energetic.
सॉरी मैम।
Energetic.
ऑनर जे।
Which means lethargic. Opposite. We can say lethargic. I mean lazy. Lethargic. Yes.
लेजी।
Yeah, we can say lazy or lethargic. It's like similar. Both meaning same. Both are same.
ओके।
Okay, so you can use this kind of words. Okay,
ओके मैम।
maybe more than enough, I think. And the simple, you know about maybe simple, opposite.
सिंपल, इसका हो जाता है साधारण। तो
Opposite.
तो सिंपल।
Complex.
कॉम्प्लेक्स।
Which is very difficult. Yes. We should always try to solve complex method, complex problem.
ओके मैम।
Okay, so you can use this kind of words. Yeah, anything else?
मैम, which type of meanings vocabulary studying for communication?
This I have shared maybe like 50 to 20, 50 maybe vocabulary. So it's also like a vocabulary. Try to use while communication. Like I have shared this supportive. Like my entire family are very supportive. They always help me. Try to use.
ट्राई इस vocabulary type मतलब everyday use type vocabulary।
What come again?
मतलब everyday routine type vocabulary learn।
First of all, try to
और
learn easy vocabulary.
इसमें
Like a daily routine vocabulary. Like when you're describing your daily routine. So like some vocabulary are very important, like wake up and taking bath, get dressed up, and catch the bus, punching. So short word and try to make sentences. First of all, daily
yes
use
मैम।
vocabulary and then try to add 10 vocabulary, 20 vocabulary. Try to learn one or two vocabulary. But make sure you use those vocabulary while communication.
yes
You can
मैम।
use so those kind of words maybe immediately fit in your conscious mind, conscious or subconscious mind. And try to read.
मैम,
Not try to listen actively. It will definitely helpful for you. So, okay, bye bye and take care.
Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, most welcome.